theory that we looked at as a group is Connectivism, which deals with the idea of having different ideas and different concepts, and I suppose developing knowledge by connecting those different nodes, if you like, or different aspects, different concepts, objects together. Okay? So what was very confusing for us is that, I suppose, this technique of drawing this mind map is in a way a kind of connectivism itself. So we were sort of demonstrating connectivism by using connectivism. Which is a bit strange. The big problem I think we found with it is that we all had different perceptions and different approaches and different ways of interpreting how to create the map, if you like, how to connect the different things together. So there were all different levels of abstraction. For instance, over here we're thinking very much in a sort of hierarchical fashion, that we moved from general to specific. Over here was sort of how things are related in a more abstract way. So I think we kind of uncovered some of what we think are problems with the connectivism theories. It just ended up being very messy and hard to actually represent in this kind of form.
Yeah, so we actually look more into the concept of knowledge, learning, and work experience being the key nodes associated with connectivism. And then we now have several applications under those three major nodes. And so we look at the context of social, cultural, and information technology and how these are connected. And in a way, we found out that every node or every branch is actually connected to the other side. So, and this makes it a bit difficult to bring all of them on a flat surface. And then the idea came that why don't we project into 3 dimensions so we can see things from the top and have hierarchical view down.
Yeah, and show how, although we'd given some lines out and some things connected together, that actually there were cross connections all over the place, and that it wasn't a flat model, it was really a 3-dimensional kind of a very messy, as Andrew said, theory.
I think this that was a good example here, what you said, because here we had context as quite a high level node, and we had social and cultural underneath that. Afterwards we then started thinking about over here nodes and people and things like that. And then we sort of realised all of those in some ways could all come under this idea of the social or the cultural concept.
And then we were thinking as well about how the social and cultural context affect these other things, knowledge, learning, work experience and everything in them, but then that it's a two-way interaction. So all those things also affect the social and the cultural context. Very, very connected.